Hello everyone, today we are going to learn bank and simple interest. First formula we have to follow, that is principal plus interest is equal to amount. Second formula is simple interest formula, which is equal to P into R into T upon 100. P stands for principal, R stands for rate of interest and T stands for time upon 100. Example 1. Principal is equal to 1,20,000 rupees. Rate of interest is 8.5. Time is equal to 4 years. So we have to find the total interest. So first we are going to write the formula of interest. Interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So we are having the principal. So 1,20,000. Rate of interest is 8.5 and time taken is 4 years upon 100. Now first we have to remove this point. So we will write the principal as it is into 85 into 4 upon 100 into 10, because here before one number there is a decimal point, so this decimal point will come down, so it will become into 100 into 10. So now we will start with a calculation. 0 0 got cancelled, 0 0 0 0 got cancelled. Now what is remaining, that is 120 into 85 into 4. So when we multiply all three numbers together, we get the 40,800, and this is a interest. So interest is 40,800 rupees on rupees 1,20,000. Now example number 2. Principal is equal to 25,000 rupees. Amount is equal to 31,000 rupees. Time is equal to 4 years. We have to find the rate of interest. So here amount is given. Amount formula is amount is equal to principal plus interest. But we have the amount and principal. So our formula will be amount minus principal is equal to interest. We will find the interest. So amount is 31,000 minus 25,000, which is equal to 6,000. So our interest is 6,000 rupees. And now we have to find out simple interest. We got a interest, principal, rate into time upon 100. We have to find the rate of interest. We have the simple interest, that is 6,000 is equal to principal 25,000 into rate of interest we don't know into time into 4 upon 100. Now we will do the calculation. 0 0 0 0 got cancelled. What is remaining is 6,000 into 250 into 4 into R. Okay, so 6,000 into 250 into 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry over. 4 2s are 8 9 10. Okay, is equal to 1,000. So now this 1,000 we will take this side, so it will become division. 6,000 upon 1,000, which is equal to R. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 got cancelled. 6 is equal to R. So therefore rate of interest is equal to 6% per annum.